Good afternoon to all of you. BSc third year students, Kai Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devni, Department Botany. Welcome to all of you. The start will be the today lectures. The unit number third, plant disease first. They complete have 2 unit. Any problem, any doubts, the discuss to the Google Classroom and chatting to me in a WhatsApp. Then otherwise call to the me. Then now I happy to the discussion to the plant diseases, very important to the human life as well as the plant life as well as the animal life. They have very importance to the contents. The plant disease first, unit number third. They firstly discuss to the what is mean by plant diseases. एखाद्या झाडांना जसं माणसांना रोग होतो तसं झाडांना सुद्धा रोग होतो, त्याविषयी आपल्याला जाणून घ्यायचं आहे. तर तो कुठं होतो, त्याची डिसीज सायकल. यू हॅव डिसीज सायकल इज अ फॉर्म टू द डिसीज सायकल, द स्टडी बाय द सिम्टमॉलॉजी, काजल ऑर्गॅनिझम्स, देन the treatment of control measures, means treatment of the diseases. They all discussion to the in this unit, the very important. All student attend to the class and very interesting in this topic. The unit number third, plant diseases first. तर आपण बघूया, हे खूप इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. बाजरा हे सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे आपल्या सभोवती, जेणेकरून आपल्या आजूभोवती सुद्धा आपल्याला ही बाजराची प्लांट पाहायला मिळतं. ही जी बाजरा आहे अतिशय शरीराला, मानवी शरीराला, त्याचबरोबर फूडर म्हणून ॲनिमलला खूप उपयोगी आहे. याविषयी आपण डिस्कस करूया. द फर्स्टली इंट्रोडक्शन टू द ग्रीन इयर डिसीज ऑफ बाजरा. द ग्रीन इयर डिसीज ऑफ बाजरा इज अ कॉमन डिसीज and has been reported from several countries, including that the India, Iran, Australia, China, Fiji, Japan, maybe many countries is a popular plant. That is the disease form to the this disease is a common. The all countries the disease form to the bajra. Then bajra crop is a growing. The India disease is the first reported by study by the Bolter, the 1907. बल्टर या शास्त्रज्ञांनी फर्स्टली इंडियामध्ये हे डिसीज काय केलं, शोधून काढलं की हा डिसीज इयर ग्रीन इयर होतं, म्हणजे नेमकं काय होतं याविषयी त्यांनी फर्स्टली तो काय केलं, संशोधन केलं. हुज कन्सिडर बाय डिसीज the sporadic and nature is not counseling much a damage of the crop. That is the bajra crop is one of damage, then slowly the total field of the damage, that is the very important to the control. They may number of scientists, they work how the diseases. They firstly this disease is reported by the Bolter 1907. They have thorns is a 1930 is a report by the diseases in Allahabad. This second scientist is a thorns is a 1930 is Allahabad is a reported to the disease in a green year of the bajra. Uttar Pradesh and confirmed by observation to the Bolter 1907. They have they very good scientist is a Bolter. That is research करत असताना त्यांनी उत्तर प्रदेशमध्ये हे काय केलं, कन्फर्म्ड केलं की हा इयर ग्रीन डिसीज आहे. बल्टर या शास्त्रज्ञांनी तिथं शोधून काढलं. सिन्स दॅट द डिसीज इज अ बाजरा हॅज बीन रिपोर्टेड फ्रॉम टू द ऑल स्टेट. दे वेअर बाय द बाजरा दे कल्टिवेटेड वन क्रॉप ऑफ द केलिफेरन सीजन्स. देन these discuss to the introduction. The next point, आता आपण इंट्रोडक्शनचं पाहिलं. इंडियामध्ये तो फॉर्म झाला, नंबर ऑफ कंट्रीमध्ये फॉर्म झाला तो डिसीज, परंतु बल्टर या शास्त्रज्ञांनी 1907 मध्ये हे काय केलं, रिपोर्टेड केलं. मग त्याची सिम्टमॉलॉजी कशी दिसली, ज्याला आपण या फील्डवरती गेल्यानंतर आपण म्हणू शकतो की ग्रीन इयर इथं झालेला आहे. तर बघूया सिम्टम्स. 2 स्टेज ऑफ द सिम्टम्स ऑफ द डिसीज have been recorded. These symptoms have been recorded. Downy mildew stage, promoting on the leaves the green ear stage affecting of the इन्फ्लोरन्सला जिथं बाजराला छोटे छोटे स्मॉल नेकेड असे काय होतात फ्लावरिंग, आपण त्याला फ्लावरिंग म्हणतो. नेकेड असे हेअर लाईक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होतात, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो इन्फ्लोरन्स असं म्हणतो. ह्या इन्फ्लोरन्सला ही स्टेज काय होते इफेक्ट झालेली आपल्याला दिसून येते. द लॅटरल मोर बाय द प्रोमोटिंग दॅन द फॉर्मर सिम्पटम्स सीन हॅज बीन रिपोर्टेड that the staining pathogen occurring in the India produced by the mover the whose spores than sporangia, that is the form to the sporangia, then whose spore are the form to the these bajra fruiting body. The growth of the plant affected checked by the plants, they appear stunned by the snakes pills yellowish and form to the color. Every young plant the very dangerous disease, every young plant show that the symptoms, they observe that the show that the symptom in a field, the leaves beginning to the show they strict upper the surface while the lower surface the downy growth is a fungus formed to the fungus. Then next symptoms, discuss to the next symptoms, they after some times then the area the turn of the brown advanced stages they shredding and the leaves are observed, seen that the plant is unbranched. The disease form to the form in stimulates the nodal buds and lateral shoot develop is abnormal characters. They observe that the field the abnormal characters to the bajra crop, they have mostly symptoms to the field body, then field of the crop the associated with the leaves showing additional symptoms, they usually green colors, the leaves may be changes wholly or partly to the whitish brown color, then by the younger leaves event to the along the string will be the older leaves color changes to the brown. The next symptom, the order of the plant occur is actually those of the leaves, the axillary which is the inflorescence develop, the changes of the occur, leaves in associated, then twin of the folding shading to the two words in tips. They have show that the pictures, the next slide is show that the pictures, the very dangerous of the disease formed to the green ear of the bajra. These two words of the sharing, the tips of the formation. In order of the plant green, the ear form to the upper leaves and mostly brown in the splitting. This body is a splitting is a show that the picture in a field. They mostly students is a farmer childrens. I am farmer childrens. That is the observe. They clearly observe that the fruiting body. That is the this understanding to the field, that is actually study. This study is a symptomology, is a field visit, but COVID problem, one problem of the COVID is a form to the COVID, that is the online lectures. I am not satisfied to the online lecture, that but all problem to the all सगळीकडेच प्रॉब्लेम झालेला आहे, सगळ्या स्टुडंटला सुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम झालेला आहे, माहितीच आहे. तर आपल्या सेफ्टीसाठी इतकं काय होणार आपण बघूया. ज्यावेळेस नेक्स्ट टर्ममध्ये जर व्यवस्थित सगळं झालं तर आपण प्रत्यक्ष फील्डमध्ये जाऊन त्याची सिम्पटॉलॉजीचा अभ्यास आपण करूया. तर इतकं छान ही पॅथॉलॉजी आहे, खूप इंटरेस्टिंग आहे. तर हा जो डिसीज आहे ग्रीन इयर, तो तर सगळ्यांना बर्डला कमजोर करतो, लिपला कमजोर करतो आणि त्याचबरोबर इन्फ्लोरन्सला सुद्धा तो काय करतो, किल करून टाकतो. बट ॲक्झॅक्टली दीज बर्ड प्रोड्यूस द ग्रीन लीप ऑफ द ह्युमन इयर लाईक स्ट्रक्चर्स. द डिसीज बिकम द प्रोमोटिंग फेंडर ऑफ द इन्फ्लोरन्स गेट कवर्ड इन टू द ग्रीन लेयर ऑफ द इयर्स. This show that the pictures look like the pictures. This one, this is the bajra plant A, B and C. That is the bajra fruiting body like. This one upper side the small rounded spot in cereals, that is the bajra, but then lower side and internal side is a one like a grass like structure formed under grass like structure is a form to the fruiting body, that is the green ear of bajra. Then B structures totally fruiting body is the green hair like structure are formed, and C is a leaf structures. They dony mildew of stage in a leaf structures, they very dangerous. They next kajal organism in a bajra, Sclerospora granimenicola, that is the one of kajal organism formed to the ear got of green ear of bajra. It is a obligate parasite. This one Sclerospora graminolica, it is the obligate parasite are caused by bajra body, caused by protein body of the bajra. Yes, that is the next points, the disease cycle. The sclerotia is a form to the disease cycle. The one by one step you studied to the disease cycle. This first observe that look like a diagram, that is the first stage symptom in appear on the host in a magnification of the symptoms. That is the next dividation of the three steps. The first step is the whose spores is produced by as a result the sexual reproductions, the leaves of the ear during lateral part of the growing in a seasons. The next one, the mycelium present to the seeds born seed ears, and whose spore is left in a soil along to the they having the harvesting. The slowly they have formed to the two steps, germinations of the oospore and mycelium growth of the along with the germination of the seed in a growth. Then germinations of the oospores is the infections of the underground part in a germ tube. Then germ tube formation as well as the mycelium growth, they connect to and mixing to the systematic growth of the mycelium. They form to the they appear to the symptoms, but host is germinating, the oospore are germinating. Sporangia is a dony mildew growth of the fungus, and sporangia spore produce the lower surface of the leaves. They form to the leaves conditions. They have the disease is a fungus parasitic disease is the disease cycle have the complete. Just a minute. This slide is explanations of the disease cycle. The next point, the control of measures. They all students are request. They all point is clearly indicate. Then show that the pictures. They any problem to the ask me, and as a two unit as a already completed and third unit is a start. they आत्तापर्यंत जे सिलेबस झालेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर डिस्कस करा, कॉन्टॅक्ट करा, व्हॉट्सअप मेसेज पाठवा किंवा गुगल क्लासरूममध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर विचारा. दे स्टार्ट विल बी द नेक्स्ट पॉईंट कंट्रोल ऑफ मेजर्स. मग असं असताना ही कंडिशन असताना हे काजल स्कोरेसिस हा डिसीज फॉर्म झाला असताना आपल्याला त्याच्यावरती कंट्रोल करणं अतिशय गरजेचं आहे. जेव्हा केव्हा तुम्हाला जे काही शेतकरी असतील किंवा इन जनरल पीपल असतील डिस्कस करतील त्यावेळेस तुम्ही ह्या कंट्रोल ऑफ मेजर करण्यासाठी तुम्ही ॲज अ बॉटनी स्टुडंट्स म्हणून त्यांना सजेस्ट करू शकता, ॲज वेल एज अ पॅथॉलॉजिस्ट म्हणून तुम्ही त्यांना सजेस्ट करू शकता. तर बघूया कुठले कुठले आपल्याला कंट्रोल या प्लांटवरती या डिसीजवरती करता येईल. फर्स्ट आहे रोटेशन ऑफ द कॉर्प, नॉन होस्ट टाईप ऑफ मेनी चेक टू द डिसीजेस. These one, they mostly they field have a root continuously one crop one field. That is a farmer not understanding to the farmer. That is the major problem of the crop one field. That is the one field is a rotation of the crop very important. to the control of the diseases. Second, remove disease plant. They are the bearing within a month disease. The detections check of the diseases to a large extent. This disease is a large extent to the plant and disease remove by the disease. And very important, the chemical controls sparing to the diethene M45 also help by the controlling diseases. They also control how the M45 good control of the chemicals, but very good of the controlling diseases biological control, that is the one of trichoderma, leaf extract, that is the oil extract. There may be number of bacteria, use of the bacteria Pseudomonas, Aerofungin. There number of biocontrol use. Biocontrol use is a benefit to the human body, that is not a number of disease, not effect of the side effect to human body. The control of the chemical control is a human body is a future. In future, the control of the problem of the human body, that very good of the control in a biological control, not a possible to and urgently control that the M45 is a good chemical, is a control of the green ear of bajra. The next treatment, they have number of treatment and control to the disease. The seed treatment 0.1% Areosin GN, the 0.4% thiamine has been reported to the control disease and 50%. तर आपण ह्या 50% सुद्धा कंट्रोल इथं करू शकतो. द नेक्स्ट वन, यूज ऑफ द डिसीज रेजिस्टन्स व्हरायटी. दे very important to the all crop. The use of the farmer, they field the resistance variety, that is the green bajra resistance variety HB15, PHB10 and PHB14 has been recommended to all students, farmers and in general people. I request him they control to the all plants green bajra, that is a M45 biological control, GN Aerogin GN 0.1% to 0.4% and disease to the 50% controlling. Then used to the resistance variety as very important to the food and food is a human being, that as well as the animals, that is the control of disease green ear bajra. Any problem to ask me. Thank you very much.